When it comes to manifestation, do you find yourself asking, what if I pick the wrong thing? Or what if I don't know what to pick? Or what if there are just so many things I'm interested in that I just don't know what to choose? If so, today's tidbit is for you. Sometimes it might feel like everybody but you knows exactly what they want, but I assure you that is not the case. It's normal to not always know where to start. So here are 3 tips to help you build some momentum. Tip number 1, ask for God's guidance. Seriously, sometimes the best thing to manifest is an open communication with God. If you're stuck and you don't know what to ask for, ask God to guide you in the right direction. A simple prayer I like to say when I want guidance is, Dear God, please guide me to see what I am meant to see today. I am open to miracles. And you'd be surprised by the signs that God has you see, who He has you meet, and the opportunities He presents you with when you open yourself up to His divine guidance. So that brings me to tip number 2, which is 1 step at a time. Start actively building your manifestation momentum with a baby step. The Jewish Oral Torah, or the Mishnah, explains that once a person is inspired to change, contemplating all the necessary steps becomes overwhelming. The long-term picture can be too much to take on at the beginning. So start by choosing to co-create something small. It can be as small as receiving a compliment or a free cup of coffee. Doing this will help you build your manifestation muscle. As Lao Tzu said, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with 1 step. And tip number 3, pay attention to your feelings. I heard Marie Kondo ask the question, does it spark joy, when teaching her minimalist approach, and I thought, wow, that's perfect for manifestation. So the litmus test I use to determine if I'm on the right track with what I want to co-create is to check in with how my intention makes me feel. If it sparks joy and gets me excited, I know I'm being guided in the right direction. At the same time, notice any negative feelings because that's also information. For example, if you hate your job or you're unhappy where you live, these are all signs that perhaps you want a manifestation to occur in the form of a new job or a new home. Using your feelings as information can help you determine if what you're asking for is in alignment with what you really want. So let me know which tip you're going to incorporate today. And of course, sharing is caring. So if you like what you've heard, please pay it forward. And as always, happy manifesting.